ladies and gentlemen, I have some bad news. Do you guys remember that G512 carbon keyboard which I made several videos about back in the day? Well, sadly, it's slowly dying. So the time came for yet another new keyboard, and I decided, hey, if I have to go with a new keyboard, I may as well go with one of the most over-the-top, overkill keyboards that Logitech offer, the G915, which is literally so big it barely fits in the frame. So this variant right here is the UK QWERTY with the GL clicky switches. Now originally I was more of a red and linear kind of guy, but ever since I tried clicky keys on my G512, well, I decided to give them another go here. And look at it. It is so beautiful. I mean, yeah, seeing how much it costs, you'd expect it to look good, but this does look pretty spectacular. I mean, just look at it. Doesn't it look beautiful? However, at the same time, there's quite a few things about it which I wasn't fully sure about. One of the main things that worried me about this keyboard are the low profile keys present on it. So as you can see here, they are a lot flatter than on most normal keyboards. So I thought that I wouldn't be a big fan of it. We're about to find out if I will be or not. And honestly, yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to this. Honestly, on the surface, it's fine, but the fact they are low profile makes it kind of... I don't know, it's the case with every single keyboard. Like, I've been using that thing every single day for I don't know how long now, so getting used to any new keyboard is always going to be a bit of a challenge. But the low profile keys here, they don't feel like this ultimate deal breaker like I originally thought, but I'll still have to get used to them. Anyway, apart from that, this keyboard has tons of other epic stuff, including programmable keys right here, an entire media control thing right here where you can pause, mute, go back, go forwards. But again, one thing I just don't understand about Logitech keyboards, and it happened with the G512 as well, all you have here is a caps lock LED and a battery LED. That's it. No num lock, no scroll lock, nothing like that, just two LEDs. Why? I know it's for simplicity's sake and a lot of people may not even be using num lock and scroll lock and whatever, but they are still good to have, just so you know they're there, especially with numlock, because numlock can have some pretty big effects if it's turned on or off and you don't know it, so it's always nice to be able to glance at an LED and see if it's on or off. But of course, one of the biggest things about this keyboard, and something that's going to help me out a lot, is the fact that it supports both Bluetooth and Logitech's Lightspeed technology. That's going to be especially useful for me, seeing how I work on several PCs at a time a lot, seeing how, you know, I'm kind of a tech YouTuber, it's kind of my job. So being able to just click a button and be able to switch between if I'm using one PC or another PC, that's going to be great. It's going to like save me having to buy a KVM. And it's all controlled via this thing. This little Logitech module right here. Oh yeah. And then over here, which is apparently stuck right now. Why is that? How on earth do I get that out? There we go. Here it is. You have yourself a USB to... Ooh, look at that. USB micro B still. I would imagine that this kind of keyboard would have used USB Type-C, but apparently not. What on earth is with this cable? It's like literally not even braided, which again, you'd kind of imagine would be the case for a keyboard that costs that much. Yeah, Logitech, I'm not happy with this one, but whatever. A very minor complaint. So if you want to buy this keyboard yourselves, then links to it are going to be up in iCards and down in the video description below. And also down there you're going to find our merch store, for example, and also our Patreon. And even if you give just one singular dollar a month, it truly goes a long way in helping out this channel and allows you to make way better videos. I'd also like to thank my extinct patrons Gavin Burns, Ryan, OKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lance B, and Coming Edge Clothing. Thank you guys so much. Support truly goes a long way. Down you're also going to find our Discord server if you want to talk to me or as our Discord or whatever else really, plus and other social media links as well. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever. But anyway, that's what it's. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.